every year I make the finals and leaving the finals without an individual medal. So it's actually heartbroken for me.
So Oblique Seville, when he was being interviewed about how he feels when for the fact that he was not able to medal, he said it's actually heartbroken for him because he knows that he could have medal at the Paris Olympic, but unfortunately he fails to medal in the part. In fact, the biggest shock of the day is Oblique Seville came last position, and I think something was wrong with the starting of his race and um, with his top end speed. He did not get the opportunity to execute his total strength in the 100 meters at the Paris Olympic. And I really feel sad. If there's anybody I would feel sad for, definitely it should be Oblique Seville and Ankani Simbine, right? So this is Kishan Thompson. The moment he knew that Oblique Seville did not medal, I think Oblique Seville even cried because he was holding hands on his face. It was a very sad moment for the Jamaican sprinter. I really felt his pain. I know how he is feeling right now. I know he is heartbroken. I know he is sad. But it's not the end of the world, right? There is World Championship next year and Olympics will be back again the next 4 years to come, right? So there is still an opportunity for Oblique Seville to medal next year at the World Athletic Championship. And I feel like this moment is actually one of the most emotional moments at the Paris Olympic. It was a moment where Kishan Thompson was holding Oblique Seville in the hands because Oblique Seville could not medal. So this time I want you guys, let's discuss the reason why Oblique Seville came last position. In as you can see from this picture, Oblique Seville was at the last place, and it's so sad, right? So what is to be blamed? Why did he came last position? I remember in the heat and semi-final, Kishan Thompson was running epic times. In fact, he defeated Noah Lyles, right, in the semi-final. Oblique Seville defeated Noah Lyles. So what happened? And the time he runs in the semi-final in the heat are much more faster than the time he run at the final. So the big question is, what really happened to Oblique Seville? What really happened? Because I'm totally confused how how Oblique Seville end up taking the last place, which is the ninth position. Honestly, I'm in total shocked. I don't know what to say, but the honest truth is I'm in total shocked. So let me hear your opinion about the main reason why you feel like Oblique Seville came last, and also do not forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.